Good morning, students. Today we will learn a poem of grade 6, The Kite. This poem is written by Harry Ben. In this poem, poet has explained very beautifully a kite. Let's read. How bright on the blue, it is a kite when it's new. With a dive and dip, it snaps its tail. It is kite over here. Dive and dip stands for to go into water with the force and softness together. Snaps, cracking sound, and blue. Here blue is not the color, it is for sky without clouds. In this poem, in this paragraph, the poet is explaining that a kite looks very bright on a clear sky when it flies for the first time. That means when it is new. It moves with softness and force together at the same time, dive and dip. To fly makes its tail, at the same time, it flies to make its tail to create a cracking sound in the air. Snaps means sound. That means when a kite is very new and it looks very bright when it is in the sky, it flies and makes a sound by its tail. Then soars like a ship with only a sail, as over tides of wind it rides. Climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. Soar stands for fly high. Climbs means to go up. Sail, a cloth on a ship or a boat which used to catch wind and help the boat to propel. Tide stands for rising and falling waves, and crest is mountain top. In this stanza, poet is saying that with such type of moves, the kite is floating in the sky, just waves rising and falling with the sudden blow of winds. It goes up to the highest point in the sky in a wavy manner, the way a ship moves on the ocean. Here he is explaining how a kite is flying like a ship is rising on the tides in the ocean. But as soon as the wind slows down, it seems as if it has stopped there to rest. When there is no wind, it starts standing still just to have a rest. When stings goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows and its wings fill and up it goes. Here glossary, slack stands for loose, and students here and is used, so here figure of speech anaphora is used. When the thread tied to the kite loosen, the flyer runs and rolls it back. You, the flyer. He waits till a new breeze blow again and fill its wing with air again to help it fly high. When its strings became loose, then the flyer run and tied it. At the same time, waits for a new breeze. When the new breeze will come, it starts flying again. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, but a grander thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. Regulator, torn, tattered. A kite looks very bright and beautiful on a clear sky, but when it gets stuck on a tree top, it gets torn and gives a poor worn out look which is not liked by anyone, because only the new kite looks very beautiful, but when it flaps, it's stuck in a tree and torn, then it is not liked by anyone. Stay home. and stay safe, students. Thank you very much.